Hey up my ducks and welcome to another video with me, Rachel Undercover, and today it is Bonfire Night. Yes, the 5th of November. I remembered it, see? So I am going to be going to a firework display soon and it's going to be freezing. Yay! But it's like the best one near where I live, so I can't wait. I haven't been to this particular one for about 5 years, give or take. I'll show you some of the clips of the fireworks. Got some football to watch while we wait. It's great. We're here at the big display in Nottingham. And of course there's a fairground because Nottingham likes any excuse to put a fairground anywhere. I always forget the fairground exists until I go past. It's quite funny. Look at the bonfire. It's huge. Squealers. No, they never do. Damn. That's it. Woo! That was insane. Look at all the smoke. Isn't it delightful? It's disgusting. Right, let's go. So guys, the fireworks display is over. If you're wondering why I'm just sat outside, it's because I got the bus and my mum didn't. So I'm waiting for her to get back now.